She's been to hospital probably 25 was the last count, plus there's been another 4 or 5 since. So she's always very animated, always moving around. She tries to do that, and she goes and it goes and goes until the batteries run out, and that's it.
Wheeze is a noise that happens because your airways are narrowed, and when you breathe, you can't breathe normally. It's really scary. It makes you feel panicky because you just can't get enough air to move that your body needs, and the fact that you become panicky makes it even worse.
You want to take away the pain and swap places with her, but you can't.
So we're using a medicine that's been used in Europe for more than 30 years, given to 90 million people, and been shown to prevent respiratory infections.
It's called OM85. It's also known as Broncovexum. With Australia and New Zealand all together, we need just over 1,000 children enrolled into the project.
I've noticed a huge change as far as how regular she's getting sick, and whether that's down to the drug trial or the time of year and the weather, I can't say, I don't know. But personally, I think it's the trial.
If you have a child that's between 1 and 6 and your child has been troubled with wheezy illnesses, and if your child has been admitted to hospital at least once after they turned 1 year of age, then come and talk to us. Yeah, we would love to hear from you. We really need to do something for our 3,000 children admitted to hospital with wheeze.
This is a good moment for me to thank the Starship Foundation and all of the generous donors who contribute to the Starship Foundation and enable projects like these, which are expensive and require lots of resource to be done well. Just makes projects like these possible.